Hi guys, this is a long awaited tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use the 1688 app, how to shop on the app, how to source for goods, how to identify factories and warehouse, and how to shop, basically how to shop on the app. So if you know that this video is for you, like, share and subscribe. Don't be stingy with your like, leave a comment as well if you know that you enjoyed this video. And yeah, let's get right into this video.
So there are two ways to search for items. You can either type what you want here, right? Or you can use the camera search. This camera icon up here, this camera icon, you click on it and then you can search whatever you want. So you can see that this shoe has different prices. So depending on the price determines the quality of the item, right? So this shoe of $8, this first one is nice. You know that yes, you are getting a good quality. This one of $13, it is also nice, but if I want to pick what's in between this $8 and $13, I'll pick the $8 one, because this person is a certified merchant. You can see certified merchant there. That means 1688 has verified this person's store, right? So we are going to pick this supplier. So we can watch the video to see if some of them, their videos is not the same thing. The video is not you see, this is a video of their warehouse, so it's not a video of the shoe, right? So you come down here, you see this. If when you look down here, you see this place, you see store, chat and star, right? I'll explain everything now in a bit. So you click on store. When you click on store, you see that you see their store now. This is a verified supplier, a verified supplier on 1688, right? So we are going to use this translate app to see the store, everything about the store, right? So they have 1 year main business. They've been in business for 1 year, but they have regular customers of over 200 people. This is really nice. In 1 year of business, they've had over 200 customers. Is nice. And people at praise rate is 97%. Rate of second glance, people that have looked their stores, 47%, right? So you know that their store is certified. So that's why I said I'm going to pick. Please, can you reduce your distance? That's why I said I'm going to pick this supplier. So when you look down here, you see product attributes. This is everything about the shoe, right? You can either screenshot it and take it to your translate app, or you can press hold, right? Then you copy down like this, then you click on translate. This will translate everything to English. The sole is rubber, the inner material is polyurethane, I don't know what that is. Other brand, the brand. So this is everything about the shoe, the item number and every other thing, right? Sometimes it's written in English, sometimes, most of the times, the supplier writes it in Chinese. So maybe you want to get this shoe now, but you don't know if this supplier has it in stock, right? Because I always tell my students, ask if they have it in stock before you buy. So this place down here, that where you see store here, there's also chat there. You can click on chat and you send it to let me show you how to send it. This supplier is online. Look at this green here, it shows the supplier is online. This orange button here, not the cancel, this orange button here. You click on it, then you ask the supplier, please, no. So if you want to translate it to Chinese, right? I do this sometimes, I don't do it all the time. You click on this here, you click on select all, you click on this arrow here, this arrow here, this arrow, click on it, click on translate, then it will just translate, and you click replace with translation. You replace it, you can see. Then they will reply you in either Chinese or English. Look at it, they've not still opened the message, it's still in unread, so they'll open the message whenever they want to, because it's night in China. So that's how to. I had the last one I forgot to talk about. So if you want to change this supplier's name, maybe you like the supplier and you want to keep the supplier. You see that this one, I've worked with this supplier a lot of times, right? I've bought like items 3 times from this supplier. So I changed his name to designer shoe because he sells designer shoes. So if you want to change this supplier's name, you click on these 3 dots up here. You click on these 3 dots up here, right? Then it will take you to this page. Then you click on this arrow sign here. You click on the arrow sign, it will take you to this page. Then you see this thing here. You see this orange signs here. This one and this one, right? You are going to click on this one. This first sign here, that's what you're going to click on. Then it will take you to this place. Then you can change the supplier's name, Fine Shoes, or verified merchant, or let's just use Fine Shoes. Then you click on that orange sign, and that is all. Let's see. So if you see maybe you are scrolling through and you see Super Factory, these are factory owners, right? These are factory owners, their own store. You see that their store is not like the regular one, it's like diamond shaped. So you click on it, you can see they've been in this person have been in business since 2000. They've been in business for, if you open their store, this is how their store looks like. Very top notch, very nice, and they don't sell too much things. Look at, they only have 23 products here. 23. This is how to identify a super factory or a factory. Then if you scroll down, you'll see certified merchants, right? Certified merchants, when you click on their store is also really nice. Like, you can see that their store is nice and they don't sell too much too. Majority of these people have been in business for 10 years, 3 years, 5 years. You get so their store too looks nice. This person only sells 52 items. Let's see, maybe let's see. I like checking their stores, honestly. And you see that me, I'm even checking their stores, so you should too. Number of brands, they only sell one piece, one type of brand, right? They own the factory. Okay, this is also a factory owner, but I think they've just been in business for 3 years. That's why 1688 have not given them that factory diamond. And yeah, they have recent reviews. 40 plus people have left reviews on their store. So I think they just came to the 1688 app. So this person is also a certified merchant. You see that this store place also looks different. You see that it shows factory. 1688 have still not given these people the diamond shaped one, because probably maybe they've just been in business for 3 years too. So you can see they've been in business for 3 years, but this is also like a verified supplier. Yes, top notch, everything. You can see. So yeah, that's how to. And if you see a supplier that does not have anything on their own name, like this one now, this one does not have anything to their name, right? When you click on their store is just a regular store. See, they've been in business for just 1 year. So this might just be a what do they call them, a retailer. Yes, this might just be a retailer.
So sometimes these super factories, these factory people, they will not even want to sell for you. I swear, if it's items like washing machine, fridges, they'll say they don't do international this thing, some of them, right? So I prefer buying from certified merchants because they are very, very easy to talk to and everything. That's just me personally. Your own preference might be different, and depending on the item too. Like sometimes super factory prices and merchant prices are even basically the same thing. So you just have to compare prices. Like me now, how I compare prices is that if I see this supplier now that sells this washing machine, I'll check everything, then I'll check their shipping fee. You see that their shipping price is 10 yuan, that's $1, right? And the price is, let me just see, this is an example. We want to buy, I don't know any of this one, but we just want to buy one, and this one is 300 yuan, right? So this is for a super factory. Then let's go to a certified merchant. This is expensive. You see the price difference first, but this one's this is why I like certified merchants. They have English version of electronics. You can see that these are the English versions, right? But they are very pricey. And look at the shipping fee, 80 yuan. That's $11. So you can see the difference now. So it is up to you to check differences.